Hey everyone, and welcome to the channel. In today's video we're going to learn how to replace the window wipers, both the front and the rear, so a complete replacement. The vehicle we're working with today is a 2008 Hyundai Santa Fe 3.3 liter engine. It's the Limited. This procedure should also work for any 2007 to 2012 Hyundai Santa Fe, regardless of engine, trim, variation, or year. I'm going to provide everything you need, ranging from part numbers and a clear view with step-by-step instructions. Now, let's get to the video. So when it comes to replacing your windshield wipers, first things first, we need to take our wiper arms and lift them straight up, both sides. Just like so. Now that they're in the up positions, we can start on removing our wipers. Now when it comes to removing the wiper, some blades, depending on how technical they are, they'll have a cover for the hook. You'll take the sides, or some like Ranix will have a button on the sides, and you'll take that cover and you'll slide it up and you'll have access to the hook. To remove the wiper blade from this hook, simply pull down and out from the hook. Some are secured in place through some kind of clips. I don't believe this one is. So for the ones with the clips, press it down, pull out. For some that aren't, just grab your wiper and bring it down just like so. And here we have the blade, and the cover still stayed on, but it's nothing wrong with that. Just slide it out and up till you can get it free. I don't know. Sometimes they can be stubborn. Just like that. Your wiper blade is free. When it comes to installing your wiper, some may have a different default whenever it comes to the wiper itself, like the mechanism's default is different. This is a hook. Most wipers automatically are set up in a hook fashion, such as this wiper here. You just lift this section here and you'll slide it in as most wipers and push until you hear a click, like that, and then close the flap. This wiper has been installed. Depending on the wiper you have, it may be a different system that may need to be installed. Like as you can see here, this is a different adapter. You'd install that and then you'd slide it on until it clicks. But in this case and many other cases, it's just a simple flap, click, and push down. And just like that, this wiper is installed. Simply take your arm, push it down until it's on the window, and you have completed replacing this wiper. Repeat the same thing on your other wiper, and now we'll move on to how to replace the rear wiper. Just so y'all can see what I'm talking about, this is the passenger wiper. As you can see, it's a little different, and the mechanism is even different. As you can see here, I have to pull up on the side, and then I can slide it out. This one didn't click or anything, which is kind of weird, but just an example to show y'all. Now I can replace this, and now we can move on to the rear wiper. Now when it comes to replacing your rear windshield wiper, same thing as the fronts. Take your wiper and lift it up. And just like the windshield wipers up front, the rear, you're going to focus on this pivot point right here. To remove it, take it and force it down. See how it bends a little more? Now take it and force it out. Come on. Right. Alright, there we go. Just like that. There's a little hook in here. It's kind of like a clasp that clasps around a little ball or a peg, and that's how this thing holds on. Next, take your new windshield wiper, look for the correct orientation, find that little peg in here, put it in the slot, just like so. Until it clicks into place, and then same thing, force it up till you hear it click, make sure it's not moving, and then set your wiper down on the windshield. You've completed this procedure. All right, thank you so much for checking out the video. I hope that it helped you out and that you learned something new. If y'all happen to need anything like owner's manuals or other tutorials or procedures, be sure to check out my website, caswellskappa.wixsite.com. Yes, it's mainly for the Kappa platform, but I also do other procedures for other vehicles, so be sure to check that out, just in case you have something else that you need to do or need to do something. All right, well, that's all I have for y'all today, and I will see y'all next time. Until then.